life. Happy New Year 2022, baby. But you might be wondering why I have a boat and a big pillar. You might know boat clutches. I'm gonna try to complete a boat clutch today. So that's what we'll do. Oops, alright. So obviously I'm not that good, as you might be able to see, but today I will complete one. So I'll also want to give you a few pointers. You do 1, 2, so once you, or it's like a water clutch, but when you jump, alright, there, you click twice. And if I were to try Dreams, whew, that boy's insane. I'll give you a clip of that. 5 hunters. I think it was the beginning of your 5 hunters first match. That's 2 in a row. All right, let's see how many we can get in a row. So I've been practicing 3. I have to get 3 in a row every day to do this. Every day in a week, every weekend day, I have to. All right, well, as you can see, yeah. Also, if you guys might be wanting a multiplayer silver something. I almost I'm trying to add servers, but obviously they're not working. But so I learned how to do a boat clutch. They're not that hard, but a way to practice is you go jump, click, and then click twice. So it's always to click twice that matters. But I might try to learn Dreams boat clutch in one video, so. Here, final one. It's getting a little intense. The sake for video, sake typing of the videos can take forever. Just have to complete one. I don't know when yeah, it's all about timing. Alright, landed on the seat. Alright, that was just tough luck. Also, don't do that. Like, don't land on an edge. Alright, that's it for today. Happy New Year. I also have the Dream skin because I thought it looked cool for a boat clutch. That's it for today, guys. See ya.